We got one in Lancaster that we're working on. We're supposed to just replace all the old brown trim. The post, that 4x4 post down there is completely rotted out. There's nothing holding on to it, and the concrete's cracked. So we got to replace that. And this sill was never flashed. So you can see there's termites and the bug got in here. It's in pretty rough shape here. So what we have is there's a 2x10 plate that goes up to here. It might be 8, it might be 2x8, but we won't know. So what we have to do is we got to take the siding down from above that, or from the corner of the window. Take this down because we're gonna make sure this underlayment is going to be right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have to take off this full length of 2x. That'll expose our floor joists. The floor joists are cantilevered, and we also got to take the soffits off here, these aluminum soffits off, and set them aside. The floor joists are cantilevered off of the wall there, and then we're going to have to put the new plate on. Hopefully we got some bite for some into some rafters or some joists. We do have the luxury of sistering into them to give us a good bite. So, and then we might end up having to do something with this corner here. And then what would needed to be done is this should have had aluminum flashing gone up underneath the siding and down on top of the aluminum. But for years the water's been coming in through the what do you call it? So, hello.